What's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm JBB. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I did a tiny little, well, not tiny, I did a little drugstore haul. I wanted to grab a few things that I've seen on Instagram and TikTok, and I found so many other goodies. So I'm excited to share those with you guys. If you want to see what I picked up from the drugstore, then go ahead and keep watching. My hair is a mess. Also, this look will be up tomorrow. It's not up yet. It'll be up tomorrow, I think. Today's Tuesday. I don't even know. So I went to two different places, okay? I went to E.L.F and I went to Walmart. So the first thing that I'm pulling out here is the Mint Melt from E.L.F Cosmetics. So this is the Mint Melt Minty Fresh Cooling Cleanser. Oh, this is a cleanser. I definitely thought this was a setting spray. It didn't say it on the package. Oh, it smells good though. I'm excited to try that. I love mint. I love mint. I love the color of mint. It's so beautiful. So the next thing I got was also from the Mint Melt collection. So this is the Cooling Face Primer. I'm really excited to try this one. I will put the prices down below because I don't have the receipt with me right now. This has like a sticky something on it, but this is the primer. It is pretty small. You guys can see that because it's very light. I don't know what's happening with my lights right now, but it's a whole situation. So sticking with the mint collection, I also picked up Mint Melt Eyeshadow in Chocolate Mint and the Mint Melt Eyeshadow in Mint to Be. So I got both of these. They're super tiny eyeshadow palettes, but they are so stinking cute. I am in love with this. I want to open it. So I don't think I have like anything from E.L.F. Now back in the day, when I first started, before I was, you know, bougie, I had a lot of E.L.F. stuff and it was not bad. So I'm excited to try these. They're so little, it's so stinking cute. I'm just gonna do a quick swatch. Ooh, I love that camel color. Camel is my entire vibe right now, so I want to let y'all know that. I am loving it. So the shadow is okay. The mattes I think I like the most. My goodness. So they're a little patchy, but the shimmers are not, they're kind of dull in my opinion. They're not terrible, and I'd rather see them on the eye because like I said, swatches are swatches. I only do like little quick swatches because you just really don't know from a swatch. You just don't. Oh my god. That is stunning. Okay, I like this one the best. I'm not here for the mattes in this one, but the shimmers, look at that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So then we have the Lip Plumping Gloss. This is Mint Sprinkle, which is just a clear gloss with some mint green reflex in it. Basically it's a clear gloss, and this is the Lip Plumping Gloss in Mint Chocolate. Ooh, I do love that color. Oh my gosh, that had a lot more reflex in it than I thought. Shut my mouth real fast. Look at that. Jeez, look at the reflex in that clear one. Holy moly. I am loving this nude color. That actually will probably be my go-to lip gloss as long as it doesn't feel like trash. I'm gonna go in with the Mint Chocolate just because I love this color. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh. I feel like I wish more came out on the tube or on the wand than it does. Because when it comes to lip gloss, like, I like a lot of gloss. Oh, I love that. I love this. It is tingling. It is tingling. So the next thing I got was the E.L.F Camo CC Cream. This is the Color Correcting Full Coverage Natural Finish New Foundation. This is a newer one. I've been wanting to get it, so hopefully I got the correct shade. They didn't have very many options, and at Walmart you can't pick, but I heard that it's really good, so I'm excited about that. And then I got this Ride or Die lip balm. I saw on Ulta's website, and they had it at Walmart, which I feel like they just restocked their E.L.F stuff because I was just there at Walmart a couple weeks ago and they did not have any of this newer stuff. Like, is it a thick? Ooh. It's like a thick, maybe like a night. I would say this is like a sleeping mask. I don't know that I would. This is called Mighty Mint. I don't know that I would wear. It almost looks like petroleum jelly. It's very thick. I don't know that I would wear that during the day. It's like the Bite Beauty lip balm. That's what it reminds me of. So the next two things are the Wet n Wild limited edition Love blushes. I got the color Mellow Wine and Nudist Society. So these were actually on clearance. I will tell you that they were like $2. And then I'm so excited. I got these. They're the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline. I saw these on TikTok and that's why I got these. I'm not gonna lie to you. But these are supposed to be like the bomb. They remind me of the Kim K collection, like just the way it's like the nudie color and the rectangle packaging. But if these feel nice, I'm probably gonna go back and get them because I think they were only like $6, but these are really pretty. So I'm gonna take this gloss off and try these. I'm probably only gonna try one. So I got a pinky rose gold one, and this is the shade Reef. And then I got a more nude one, which is the shade Stone. It's a little bit more brown pink. That's what I'm going into. Oh, this is like super pigmented. Oh, I love this little doe foot. And you get so much out. This is what I'm talking about. That little wand E.L.F has going on. It's not getting enough out. And it has like a sweet, I want to say it's like a sweet smell. Good enough. The swatch is really ugly, but I like how this feels actually. Like it's not very thick. It does have quite a bit of pigment though for being like a not very thick gloss. I'm waiting for it to get on my teeth, so we'll see how that goes. But it's pretty thin for being so pigmented. And this is the shade Stone, which I love this. I'm just gonna give you a quick swatch on the hands of both of them. And this one is Reef, this pinky rose one. And why does it keep lifting out of the tube like that? Watch this. Watch. It like shoots out. Why is it doing that? Is that why it's called Lifter Gloss? Because it's like lifting? So this one is the one I have on, which is Stone, and then the one above it, which is pink, is the color Reef. So I love both of these. They're very, very pigmented. They remind me packaging wise of KKW Beauty, but I'm not gonna lie to you, color wise, they remind me of Fenty. They're definitely not as thick as Fenty. I will give you that. And I would have to like wear them to see if they're the same quality, but first impressions, these are not bad. Not for $6, they're not. I love these. I think I'm gonna go back and get, they had a ton of them. Not the super pale ones because they don't look good on my skin, but they had a ton of them. So I think I'm gonna go back and get more of those. If you guys have tried the new Maybelline lip glosses, let me know what you think. Like I said, I got the idea from TikTok. So for Ulta, I did get some Morphe brushes, which I don't know why I did that because spoiler alert, I have a whole Morphe haul coming. As soon as it gets here, I will have it up, and I got like 30 or 40 brushes. So this is the M173 and I like this. I love the idea of this for like my concealer since I've been using brushes for my face and not beauty blenders as much. So this is the Deluxe buffer brush and it is the M439. And again, just another like foundation brush I want to start using. So I was excited to try those. I don't know that Morphe would be considered drugstore. I don't know. I don't really know. So the next thing I got was the Essence Lash Princess. I saw a lot of these all over TikTok and the one girl who has a ton of these says that she loves this brand, but the green one was the best. So I got it to check it out. Oh my God, look at that wand. Ooh, that's a nice wand. I mean, I already have mascara on, and it's like thin enough to get the bottom without worrying about it getting your lids. I'm excited to try it without lashes though. That's not bad though. I don't think this was a very expensive mascara either. Alright, so the next two items are the Lift and Snatch Tint Brow Pens from NYX. I got the shade Black, Madison got the shade Espresso, and she already has it. It's gone. So I saw this again on TikTok and I thought I wanted to try it, but the thing is I just ordered the ABH pen that's like this, so I'm excited to try both of them and see kind of maybe I'll do like a which one is which, because this one is way cheaper than that one. And then the last thing, which is also NYX, is the non-sticky the brow glue. This is supposed to be very similar to the brow freeze, so I am really excited to try this. We all know how I felt about the brow freeze, so hopefully this is a little bit better. I'm excited to try this. Again, these were all over TikTok, just things that I wanted to try. Like, look at this. TikTok has me buying everything, okay? Like, oh, that looks so sticky. Let's put it on my already done brows and see if I can get them to like floof up. It's probably to keep them in place though, not to froof them up, because this is how I use the brow freeze. But someone told me to get the ABH brow pen when I use the brow freeze, because apparently like that's the way to go. Who knows? But I'm gonna try it with this, and maybe I'll do like this and then the brow freeze and the ABH pen, and we'll see, like a drugstore versus high-end. I don't know, I'm excited to try new things. I love trying new things. So I don't have a lot of drugstore makeup, and I feel like I really need to dive back into drugstore makeup, just because one, not everybody can afford the expensive stuff, and sometimes drugstore makeup is just so much better. It's so much better, or it's the same and it's cheaper. So I just want to start diving in. So if you guys want to let me know down below, like, what are your favorite drugstore items that I can go look for and try out. Maybe I'll do like a huge haul of drugstore items that my subscribers recommended. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm excited because I do love a good discount on makeup. I just do. It is what it is. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the haul. Like I said, it wasn't a huge haul, but I am really excited to start digging into more drugstore stuff. I would definitely say that my favorite things are going to be these lip glosses by Maybelline, and the most intriguing thing I'm excited to try is the brow glue and the brow pen from NYX. Everything else, I mean, I'm excited obviously to try, that's why I bought it, but it's your basic situation of stuff. So if you guys have any of these items, comment down below and let me know what you think about them. Do you like them? Were they a waste of my money? Let me know. And as always, guys, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It does help me out a lot. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I upload 6 videos every single week, and you do not want to miss out on those. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.